name's Hannah and I work for J Parkers. I'm going to show you how to plant a bare root tree in the ground. This is a duo apple, so you can grow these in the ground or in a pot, but I'll show you how to plant it in the ground. Okay, so I've taken it out of the wrapping. So this is how it comes. So this is the roots, obviously. You basically want the soil level to be below the graft, because if you plant the grafted part of the tree below the soil, the join there will just rot off and your tree will die. You basically don't want to plant it any deeper than that. Okay, so I've planted him in the hole now. So what I've done is I've backfilled it with the compost and I've heeled him in so he shouldn't go anywhere. Best place to put these if you can is a sheltered spot in the garden, just because that will stop the tree from blowing over. But also in the spring, as it starts to produce the flowers, you don't want those flowers to be blown off, because then they won't turn into fruit. So you want to keep as many flowers on your tree as possible. So a sheltered position is best if you can. And all you want to do is maybe mulch them with a bit of well-rotted manure, just to give them a bit of extra nutrients, and then water that in, and then that should be fine.